Most of the time, I'm always covered in paint. Whatever I'm working on ends up being on what I'm wearing. I feel like I do have a style of art that might sometimes reflect into my personal style. My art in general, there's a lot of moving parts to it. I love vibrant colors. I love taking an image and transforming it into how I see it in my mind. Like my snakes, I love that when people look at it, they have so much to look at. It's not just like one thing here and there. There's just so much detail. And like my paintings, there's layers of it. Originally, I saw that snakes were a pretty popular image in the chopper scene. A snake is a representation of learning to let go. And if you don't let go, you're forever stuck. I first started painting 10 years ago. Being an introvert, my art has definitely built up my confidence to put my work out there and has taken me places like bike events and bike meets where I feel comfortable to talk to people about what I do. And only by word of mouth have they continued to talk about my work to other people, and then they reach out to me. To have my work be a part of somebody's bike or their helmet or anything that they're wearing when they're riding is very gratifying, and it just is some sort of feeling I can't really explain, but it just makes me feel really good inside. What I love about Harley-Davidson is that the bikes are very customizable, that when you meet somebody who's a big motorcycle enthusiast and you see their bike, it's a reflection of them. They've customized it to fit their personality. And that is one of the reasons why I got into painting motorcycle parts, is that I can customize it and hopefully achieve what that person is wanting for their bike and be a part of that bike. In the beginning, since putting my work out there and connecting with people, I'm starting to feel more like I am part of something like a community, and everybody's been very supportive. And now it's just as much enjoyable to go on rides with people you've met within the industry and the bike scene, as opposed to even going by myself. I actually bought my bike after I've sold so much art that it felt like an achievement. Felt pretty good. That I accomplished that on my own. Just like when I paint, I accomplish it on my own. And I feel a lot of independence when I'm riding. Motorcycles, like art, are a way to disconnect. So most of the time when I'm out riding, I like to go on long rides by myself, where I'm just thinking about being out there, enjoying the ride and just enjoying the day. I work long days and I work really hard, so it's really nice that I have the luxury to get out on my bike and just disconnect for a few hours. I love riding just to get out there and clear my head. You literally think about nothing else but being on your bike. And that, to me, is my way of meditating and relaxing and enjoying my time. My name is Jennie Coulson, and I'm an artist, entrepreneur, and custom motorcycle painter.